Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to install the LarkSound app on your iPhone or iPad. So the first step is to open the App Store. Then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in LarkSound. Then search. You should see it listed in the search results, so tap on it to view the app details. And then you want to scroll down and ensure that you see in this preview images the lock and how it looks like. So if it looks like this, then now you want to tap on get, and then you want to confirm the installation. So this can be either by entering in your Apple account password, or if you have Face ID enabled, using Face ID. So now all you need to do is simply wait for the app to be installed onto your iPhone. Once it's been installed, you want to tap on open to launch it. Then from here, you can now continue with the app setup. So what you want to do is simply grab the receiver that you use for your Holyland Lark M2 wireless microphone. And depending on the model you're using, you may need the one that has a Type-C port or the one that has Lightning. So it just depends on what model of iPhone or iPad you're using. So once you've grabbed the correct receiver, you want to now insert it into your phone. Then once it's been inserted, you want to grab your wireless mics and then remove them so that the connection can be established between them. So once you've done all of that, you'll be prompted to allow the Lark app to access your microphone. So tap on allow. Now you can see your microphones are connected. So you can even see the sound level and how loud it is. You have noise cancellation, so you can control it from here. You can control the volume and you can even control the speaker play. So it's up to you now to start using the LarkSound app to the way you would prefer. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.